everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland, and today I'm going to teach you how to make very spicy baby potatoes, or like my husband likes to call them, fire potatoes. I hope you enjoy the recipe. The ingredients you're going to need to make your fire potatoes, spicy potatoes, are 1 kilo of baby potatoes, 1 kilo of lemons, 10 árbol peppers, 4 teaspoons of chicken stock in powder, a lemon squeezer, 2 cups of water. You're going to need a chopping board, a knife, and also your blender. All the ingredients are going to go in the blender except for the potatoes. So the next step is we're going to cut our lemons and we're going to juice them. The juice we're going to put inside the blender. All the lemon juice is going to go in the blender. I'm going to add the 2 cups of water. I'm going to add the árbol chilies in there also, but I'm going to take the seeds out of mine. The seeds give it they're quite fiery, so I don't want mine to be so spicy, so I'll either break off the end and just shake them out, or however it's easier for you, but I would take the seeds out. That's up to you. And also the 4 teaspoons of chicken stock are going to go in here, and we're going to blend it all. So the next step is you're going to need a deep pot. You're going to heat it up and you're going to add your baby potatoes in there and the sauce that you put in the blender, and you're going to let them cook between 40 minutes to an hour. To know if your potatoes are cooked, what I do is I poke them with a steak knife. If they're soft, then you know they're cooked. The potatoes might not absorb all the liquid that you're cooking them in, but don't throw that liquid out. What you're going to do is, while they're cooking, we're going to put the cover on the pot. So once they're done cooking, if they still have a lot of liquid, just take the cover off the pot and let them continue cooking until the water, or most of the water, the liquid, evaporates. Okay, so our potatoes are finally done cooking. It took them about 40 minutes and they still had a little bit of liquid left at the bottom of the pot, so I took the top off and let them boil about an extra 10 minutes. This is how the end plating looks like. They look really nice. They have like little red specks and then the juice, and I already tasted them. They're spicy, but it's a bearable spicy. Chile de árbol, if you haven't tasted it, it has a nice thing to it. In the beginning it's like super hot, but it goes away really fast, unlike other chilies. So if you taste it, it's very interesting. I hope you guys do the recipe and you'll see what I mean, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.